Hi guys, again I accidentally deleted my intro. So anyway, this is a pork pot roast, guys, that I put off into the oven with a cup of water, all my seasons, onions, put it on 150, and I let it slow cook overnight. That was the first intro video, but I accidentally deleted it when I was cleaning out my phone. So this is an easy, simple recipe, and you can slow cook this with pork or beef, guys, and let it cook overnight. Good morning, guys. So the roast is all done. Remember I told you guys I let it slow cook all night. And look at this. It is so tender. Can you guys see that? The fork go all the way down through this roast. So this roast is amazingly tender. It's very, very tender, guys. So that's what I was telling you guys. Like, if you let it slow cook all night, look at that. See how when I just push the knife to cut, it's like pretty much falls off the bone. So it is amazingly good, guys. So I'm going to taste it for you guys. Tender. Flavorful. So good. And you just let it go throughout the night. It's like, what time is it? It's like, probably like 7 something in the morning. But you put it on at 150 and just let it slow cook all night. It'll be the most amazing roast you have ever had. And it is so doggone tender. See that? And I don't have to even check it through the night, long as I have it on low. So thank you guys for watching. You guys have an awesome Sunday. Today is a very kind of sad Sunday for me. It's the 15th, September the 15th, and it's my son's birthday, the one that was killed in a triple homicide. So it's a sad morning for me today, but I wanted to show you guys, finish with the roast, and show you guys how it turned out. But you guys have an awesome day. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, here's a couple finishing pictures. This roast is very tender, very good. This is a very easy cooking project to try, especially for the ladies that's not great cooks. You will be an awesome cook with this recipe. This is the finishing results, guys. This pork roast is so tender. You will definitely love this. Love it.